Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. The omniscient, the omnipotent, the omnipresent, the God of light, the God of sound, can be realized beyond forms. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chant and be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Realize the potency of the all-attractive, the all-enjoying. Now, before I share some comment on the fifth text of chapter 15, or some comment on the comment, if I didn't use that phrase, let me. Dreams are real in their own way. We have different lives and different bodies while in one life. True civilization is not around mere civilization. It is not that work is stopped, but loving service to God stops clinging results of actions. Context makes or breaks deeds. Transcend personal interest, are seeing the different levels of society in mere material terms of statuses. The living can't become thoughtless, desireless, or selfless, but these interests can be shifted. Governmental laws exist because people refuse to be self-governed according to spiritual principles. The light beings are not accepting of worship to them, but we may see results as if they approved of being worshipped. And there are other beings out there too, saints and ghosts and other things that don't really respond to us or hear us, but objects of nature, forces of nature, whatever. True renunciation is directing of the consciousness. Our 9 holes are seen as outlets of births of consciousness. Beyond the 9th gate is God consciousness. It is for each to come out of certain states by scriptural words. There should be the public release of all spiritual revelation and inspiration of a scriptural sort, and the teachings on rituals should all be released. Now, there's certain private advice that was given by certain prophets and sages, but the principles, aside from the specifics, was always meant to be shared. Yoga can't be only mental, neither can Tantra either. And Tantra can't be only physical. Meditation must affect actions outside it, but it can become all of life. The self-realized don't see a separation between God, energy, and form. This is how one becomes a Giri Goswami, or master of senses. Spiritual actions will have an effect by their mere forms, even without the intention or knowledge. Truth is not our decision. Love, matter, and beings as part of loving God. God constantly creates and destroys, many times the known universe. Sensual control, regulations, posture, breathing, concentration, and form are of the posture yoga. Ordinary yoga requires seclusion and detachment from society. Even incomplete spiritual work is not lost. A person will be as if they finished, if they died in the process. In each age, spiritual practices have been set that everyone can do. Everyone will be placed in a physical situation that is needed to finish their spiritual work. Too much pursuit of extras leads to sin. Temples exist in order to effect change in the people. Nothing spiritual is anything but alive. The bodies from the superior spiritual beings shouldn't be cremated. Deliver yourself from doing deeds for other than what they are. Religion is not for only a minority, or for its realization to only be secondhand. And so text 5 here. After the misassociation, generally religion speaks of pride. Whether it's pride for something good, pride for something that's just, it just happens to be a situation. Well, some of those situations are good, but you know what I mean. Pride in something that was not any choice of yours. And, we accept honor. Accept honor given to us. But realize just because there's not a separation between God and form and energy doesn't mean that the energy or the name of God is God. And it doesn't mean that the forms by which we know these are God either. But these things do not escape God. That is what it means. But it could be said that there's God where there is no other, that nothing else exists in certain places. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.